Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning point analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen. And what we have got is this potential recovery in dollar yen, but just starting to lose a little bit of that momentum in the recovery. We had that massive bull candle yesterday, really strong turnaround, having sort of hit a new multi-month low, 108.25, failing to breach the 108.11 mark, incidentally, which is the big April low. The dollar yen engaged in a massive intraday turnaround that actually sort of formed, you would argue, well, certainly a massive bull key one-day reversal, but also a big bull hammer candle, and now taking it above the 109.80, 109.90 area. It sort of completes a breakout, doesn't it? And certainly if you closed above that 108.80 resistance of this pivot, this blue line pivot, you'd say that that is starting to sort of regain the initiative to the upside. Look at these momentum indicators. MACD lines crossing higher. That's bullish. Stochastics also tracking higher. RSI sort of up towards 50. If the RSI can sort of gain momentum above 50, with the MACD lines rising and stochastics rising, say for example the stochastics also went above that sort of August peak there, we'd start to talk about positive momentum traits again. So you'd say a closing breach above that 109.80, 109.90 resistance, 109.90 being yesterday time, that the market is starting to gain traction to the upside. Now you see here on the hourly chart, you can see the resistance that was a bit of a pivot really. Between this sort of 109.60 to 109.90 area. So you've got that nice sort of 30 pip band of support. You've had that little retreat today as the market's just unwound a touch. Now this is important. If you start to build support again, and you see the RSI sort of holding above sort of the 50 level, MACD lines holding above neutral, stochastics sort of settling down and then sort of turning up again, you would say that this is a positive move. So retesting that support on a pullback and sort of regaining the momentum. So this is an important little pullback now on dollar yen. If it can hold support around that 109.80 level, 109.60 to 109.90. as a sort of a support band, then I'd say that this is a fairly key level. 109.50 initial support of yesterday's, the overnight reaction low. 109.40 being this old pivot breakout, and then 109 figure again, sort of a basis of support in the last sort of couple of days, turned into resistance and then is now supportive again. So a few levels to work with for the downside, but I think if you hold up above 109.60 to 109.90 as a support band, I think that is turning positive again. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.